the MT Pro 1.1.1 program. Select the corresponding connector that is going to be inspected. Place it on the frame mounting and secure it. Select the test task that corresponds to the type of connector. Sustain the right click until you find the center of the fiber. Click in Out Exposure, Focus, and Calibrate. Follow the instructions and turn the connector 6 times. Click Enter on each turn to register each inspection. At the end of the calibration, insert the connector that it's going to be inspected. Select Measure, and the results will be ready in seconds. You may be able to visualize the polishing results by turning on the 3D profile. You can see the results automatically saved in an Excel file.